Buenos días, clase. Hoy es el 28 o el 29 de septiembre. Hoy es lunes o es martes. Aquí se ve mi clase virtual. Here you can see my virtual classroom. Please explore. There's a lot in there. In class, you will be exploring a little bit more. Okay, today, if you have period 1 and 3, or tomorrow, if you have period 4, you will be practicing answering ¿Cómo estás hoy? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Estás feliz? ¿Estás triste? ¿Estás calmado? ¿Estás enfadado? ¿Estás aburrido? ¿Estás enamorado? ¿Estás asustado, cansado o furioso? También puedes responder yo estoy bien, mal o así. Here you are going to see the 3 participants that I'll be calling on in periodo 1, periodo 3, y periodo 4. Periodo 1, Nadira, Rohan y Sebastián. Periodo 3, Mónica, Jonas y Ángela. Y periodo 4, Yumna, Fatia y Tagnam. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! If you volunteer an answer and I call on you, and you respond, all of this, I'm seeing an increase of people participating and an increase of people using their videos. So the more we can promote this, the better time we will have in learning another language. If we can hear each other and see each other, we do much better because that's what we do when we speak. Okay, un aviso. Remember that your tarea last week was conversation and names. And today, if you have period 1 and 3, or tomorrow, if you have period 4, okay, we will be going over this in class. There were a lot of questions on the bottom half of this tarea, los nombres. They were spelled phonetically in Spanish, and I will help you with that. I'll give you an example right now. M-A-R-I-A, Maria. But on the tarea, you will see it spelled out like it sounds. Eme, E-M-E. So you will see that, and I'm going to help you get through your misunderstandings on that tarea. If you got a 1, you will visit my virtual class during the time that we're reviewing the homework. If you got a 0.5, you're going to open your homework and we're going to fix those errors together. And if you got a 0 or a missing, you're going to open up the blank tarea and work on it with the rest of the class and complete the work and hand it in to me. Okay, periodo 1, there's a list of names and countries that you're from. I want you to identify immediately your name. Find your name. And then as soon as you find your name, write down the country en papel. Write down the country that you are from en papel. Periodo 1, periodo 3 y periodo 4. Ahora, open up your Latin American map that is labeled. Okay, it's in this week's folder, Dia 1, Latin American map, labeled. Okay? Now, the reason why I have una pregunta aquí is because you might want to take notes on this as we're using it in the class, or you might just want to focus on listening and reading the screen. So we are going to practice getting the information from each other. Everyone now in this class is from a different country according to the lists, right? Everyone has a new country. Okay. On your labeled map, I want you to write down your name in the country that you are from. Okay, so we're going to ask, ¿De dónde eres, Rohan? ¿De dónde eres, Margarita? Right, I'm using your name, and you're responding, yo soy de México. Yo soy de los Estados Unidos. So if we ask, ¿De dónde eres, Margarita? And she says, yo soy de México, we would write Margarita in the country Mexico. Another way to ask, Margarita, ¿eres de México? She could say, Sí, soy de México. I've just learned she's from Mexico. I can write that down. She might say, No, no soy de México. Yo soy de Guatemala. And then I would write down her name and the country. I might not know who is from a certain country. ¿Quién es de Chile? Someone in the class is from Chile. They're going to say, Yo soy de Chile. Or another student might know who is from Chile, and they would say, Nico es de Chile. And then we've learned, and we write down Nico in the map. Our job is to use all these questions, preguntas, all of you in class to just be bouncing around in the chat, on the mic, to answer and find out where everyone's from. We're going to have a competition between period 1, period 3, and period 4 to see who can get the labeled map completed first. I will give you hints, but I will not guide this. So this is all between you and a class. Okay, tarea, las capitales, the capitals of Latin America. So you're going to have to explore using your own device and discover what are the capitals of the countries in Latino America. Okay, here's my slides again for today. Here's the labeled map. ¿Alguna pregunta? Questions? Preguntas? Please see me in office hours. Make sure you're always coming to class. Ask questions in class and participate. Preguntas? Sí or no? Sí or no? And then when you don't have any, when you say no preguntas, you could say hasta luego, señora. Adios.